Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with day number 23 of our 24 days of Christmas Secret Santa Swap. Is hosted by Scrappy Tate. I will leave all the participants in my description box below so you can go check out their channels and see all the fun we've had. I will also be leaving a playlist to this swap at the end of the video. And if you are new here, I did participate last year in the swap, and I will leave a link to that playlist here. Please consider liking and subscribing if you're returning. Welcome back. I've just made this coffee cup kit that she can put together and make and embellish as she wishes. There's a few sets in here, probably around 7. It's just a basic set and she can embellish them as she wishes. So I hope she enjoys these. For more videos like these, see her. And until my next video, shakas.